At this point, life does not feel real. I get back from Palm Springs with Ava, and then almost immediately after, another girl from social media reaches out to me and she goes, "This is a really random question, but would you want to go to my lake house?" Of course I was like shocked. First of all, I was super shocked, but then I was like, obviously I'm going. I'm there. Like, I'm booking the flight right now. Her name is Ella Stowe. I'll tag her right here if you want to go check her out. She's so cute. I'm leaving tomorrow, so this is really last minute for me. So I tried to book a flight, but all of the flights didn't fly in at the right time or fly out at the right time. So Ella and I were like, why don't I just drive? And it's only 8.5 hours, so I feel like I should be fine. Before we get into the actual packing part, I wanted to show you everything I ordered for the trip. You're a real one if you know what's in this bag. I got this little white mini dress, cute little bows in the front. And the next store is Shop Off. I'm obsessed with this color. Is that not so pretty? It's this Free People mini dress with the puff sleeves. This will be adorable in the fields in New York. Like, just picture it. I am obsessed with this color and I love the puff sleeves. As you know, I have so many dresses with puff sleeves, but this is just adorable. I'm so happy I got it. Next is Zara. I ordered this like kind of a while ago and I'm just now opening it. Okay, I'm looking at these and why do I feel like I'm gonna look like a clown? Oh my gosh, I hate returning things. I look like Curious George. These are awful. Absolutely not. Absolutely not, Zara. Then I got this pair, which I'm so excited about. I love that it has boxers like built into it. I think that's the cutest like detailing. I always forget that Zara makes their stuff so long. They're also just like not flattering and I don't want to roll them over because then that would ruin the cute like boxer look. These are just a no for me. Oh my gosh. This is so much cuter in person. Stop. I'm obsessed with this. Look at how adorable the top part is. Love that. I'll admit I was a little bit salty about the other two Zara pieces, but this totally makes up for it. Look at how adorable the detailing is in the top and then also the sides. Is that not so cute? And I feel like the length of it is perfect as well. And it was on sale. It was $30 instead of $50. 10 out of 10. Next is this little Marshalls dress that I got. This is actually Abercrombie, but I found it at Marshalls. The front has this eye where it goes around your neck, but I hate that kind of style. So I'm literally just gonna wear it backwards and wear it like a little strapless mini. Obviously, I would tie this bow so it doesn't look as ridiculous, but I am loving the strapless and the color. Obviously, I like yellow right now. Then I got stuff from Rose Inc. I actually already tore this open. What I really wanted from them is this skin tint. Ava uses this and I fell in love with it. It's called Skin Enhanced Luminous Tinted Serum and I got it in the shade 80. I don't know if you can see that. I love this. I feel like it lasts for like a pretty good time without getting, how do you know? Off. If you use the right setting spray. And to get free shipping, I ordered this black mascara. Just a little mini. It's actually a lot minier than I thought it would be. Every single order from them comes with free samples. Obviously, that made me love them so much more. The samples they were giving away were actually the tinted serum, so I just got more of it. Look at how tiny it is too. Is that not so adorable? So I got it in shade 80 again and then shade 100, which I'm realizing now I definitely should have gotten a lighter shade. Why did I get a darker shade? I do not know. Like that's not gonna work. So that's pretty much all of the packages I got for this trip. Probably gonna start with packing all my dresses. I feel like dresses just photograph the cutest, so that's why I always bring a ton of them on trips like this. I'm bringing this little gray bandit dress. This is a little bit tiny on me, but I really want to wear it. I feel like this yellow color is so cute. It has this wire, so it like holds weird right here. But other than that, this is super cute. Then another gray bandit dress is this little pink floral one. The bubble dress, which is super plain, but I think it'll be cute. Especially if Ella wears something plain, then this will match the vibe for TikToks and stuff. I just realized I'm folding the stuff as I go. Proud moment. Usually I just toss it all on the floor. Anyways, next is this boutique dress. I love the smocking detail on it. For pictures, it'll be cute. I really wanted to bring these to California, but I obviously didn't have enough packing space. Look at how cute these dresses are for Ella and I to twin. So first is this orange one and then this green one. Would that not be so adorable if we're like running around, if we're like running through the field and we're matching. That's so cute. I'm bringing these 2 little tanks, these Brandy pants, Addicted pants, this oversized t-shirt just to throw on real quick, Gracie shorts. I'm obsessed with this color right now. Lastly, a pair of pink striped pants. Since it's gonna be a little bit chilly in New York, I think the weather's gonna be in the 60s or 70s. I picked out some cute jackets. First, I'm bringing this little cropped thing that has a cute inside out design on it. This triple threads Sherpa, I guess you would call it. It's that kind of material. Of course, this is really just like to have a sweatshirt. I'm bringing this Gracie sweatshirt, which this is the softest thing ever. Look at the material. It's like a blanket. It actually feels like I'm wearing a blanket when I wear this. That's it for jackets. Holding the clothes only lasted a minute. Now I just started throwing everything on the floor. There's Honey. Honey! She's ignoring me because I wouldn't let her on the bed. Now I'm gonna go through all my outfits that don't include dresses. First is this little denim on denim outfit. I really just want to wear this top so bad. I just got it. I think with this little white mini skirt it would be cute too, so I'm gonna bring both options. I'm also bringing these jeans to go with either this white top or this one. I love the lace detailing and the cutout in the center, but it is a little bit tight, so I just got done zipping up my skin. So hopefully that doesn't happen again when I wear it in New York. I was thinking I was gonna pack this, but now that I'm looking at it together, I just feel like I'm like a little stuffed muffin. It's just not very flattering on me, so maybe not. I am gonna quick go through the other pairs of jean shorts that I'm bringing now. First, I'm bringing these Addicted ones. I'm not sure about the style and my butt kind of hangs out the back. There's literally nothing to them, but I feel like they'll be cute for pictures at least. Another pair of Addicted shorts. These are a bit longer and look at the bows in the back. Is that not the cutest thing ever? These Levi's, I haven't worn these yet, but they're so cute. And lastly, these Levi's shorts that I wear all the time. Look at what I just discovered in my closet. I forgot I had these cowgirl boots. How could I not bring cowgirl boots to New York? Are you kidding me? I'm not sure if this brown top really matches the vibe though, so I grabbed a few white tops and we're gonna try them on together to see which one looks the cutest. Not sure if this one really works. I'm not liking the asymmetrical aspect of it. This might be even worse. Absolutely not. This top is so adorable. I just feel like maybe not with this outfit, but actually, wait, maybe. I feel like this is the winner actually. I forgot to show you the bikinis I'm bringing since we're gonna be at the lake. Nice. This little teal bikini with ruffles on it. These high cut bottoms. These are both Gracie's, by the way, coming in June. And then this bottom, this triangle top with little palm trees on it. And then I'm just bringing a few other bikinis, but you can see those in the Instagram pictures. Now for the shoes, I'm bringing these white Converse, these Converse. And then I'm also bringing my cowgirl boots. Even though I'm gonna have my whole entire car to fill up, I don't want to be that obnoxious. I don't want to pull up with like 10 bags on both arms. So I'm trying to limit everything down to this Farrah Bradley bag and this Cal pack. We'll see if I can do that. First, let's fold this mess. I really don't think I need these. It's just an extra pair of pants that's gonna take up too much room. Honestly, or these. Or this. Am I gonna wear this? Okay, looking at all this, I feel like I didn't pack that much. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4 stacks. And then those. I guess I need to fold this. I'm also bringing this little cowgirl hat. I feel like this will be adorable with pictures to wear with these boots. Look at how adorable this packaging is. It's so cute. She sent me this little note that says, "Hi Olivia, I'm so excited to work together. I love your account so much. I hope you like the bracelets. Love, Sarah." That's so adorable. And then a little potted plant sticker and a hibiscus sticker. Bracelet stack comes with a little bow on it. Reminds me of the bow trend that was on TikTok for literally forever where we put bows on everything. She sent me the bow one that she has, this little one pearl, and then this one that looks like a Van Cleef bracelet. You know what I'm talking about? I will be wearing this in New York for sure. I'm also wearing a cowboy boot necklace. This is what it looks like. Instead of wearing the G, I'll wear this. This is from 5 and 2 Jewelry, by the way. I'm just using this little jewelry compartment box to put everything in. Now for makeup, I just got this e.l.f. brush, so I'm gonna bring that. This Rose Ink skin tint, which I already showed. Glossier concealer in shade Tan 3. Milk primer. Tower 28 bronzer. Some blush. And of course, my eyelash curler. And I just use, honestly, random mascara. But right now I'm using L'Oreal and Babe Lash. That's really it for makeup. I'm assuming Ella's gonna have a blow dryer, shampoo and conditioner, all of that. I need to bring a hairbrush. Let's actually pack now. I'm thinking I'm gonna put all of the dresses into this bag and then probably also the PJs and those tops and shorts. Everything literally just became unfolded when I did that, so that's lovely. Okay, wait. Why did all of that fit? This bag is packed and now I'm kind of just shoving everything into this one. Oh my gosh! This is from Grey Bandit. I love Grey Bandit. Oh my god, these are adorable. First, I got these little boxer shorts. They remind me of like a watermelon with the stripes. I'm actually obsessed. And the material is really nice too. I definitely should have sized down on these. They're a little bit big. Rolled over, they're kind of cute. I got this little blue tank. It's just really basic, but I feel like it'll be cute to sleep in. This is a size small and it's actually like really kind of big on me, so that's a little bit disappointing, but I'm sure it'll shrink in the wash. Another blue tank top. Can you guys tell I'm obsessed with blue right now? I love the little like color blocking. This one fits a lot better and I love the navy blue straps on it. I love this. It has this green and blue floral print on it, but they're just super tiny so you don't really see it. This top is also so adorable. I love that you don't even have to wear a bra with it. Does this look familiar? It's the exact same print as the dress I showed earlier from them, except it's a different style. I love the lace detailing right here and the cuts. It's so cute. And then the back all ties together. Definitely bringing this on my trip. Lastly, from Grey Bandit, I got a sweater. Look at this! I'm in love with oversized sweaters, so this is perfect. And it's just so cozy. Is this not so adorable? I am obsessed with the color and just the fit overall is so, so cute. I'll make sure to link everything in my LTK. And also, you can use this code for a discount. Also gonna bring my laptop. I put all these stickers on it and I actually hate it. I'm probably gonna rip them off. I don't need this, but I will be needing this. And I'm gonna put my makeup bag in here. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to meet Ella and just be in New York. A little bit nervous about the ride there, but other than that, I cannot wait.